Hey everyone, it's Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm here on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where we are in full winter mode. We got snow, we got ice, we got freezing temps, sometimes not even getting above freezing all day. So it's kind of like what winter used to be. So here's what's going on. With the weather we've had, I'm getting a lot of calls from homeowners in the area that have ice dams forming on their roof. You know, their gutter is frozen solid with ice. There's like a glacier of ice creeping up the roof, and now they look inside the house and they look up and they see a wet spot on the ceiling. And it's very frustrating. It can be very costly. It can be very damaging to the property. So what's happening is just through the layers of ice creeping up the roof and the logjam of ice, you know, any melting water seeps up under the shingle into the roofing system and causing damage. So the homeowners are frustrated and I'm frustrated because I'm still getting over my shoulder surgery. I have weeks to go before I'm any use to anybody. I can't get on a ladder. I can't lift a ladder. I can't do anything other than sit here and think and talk and eat and look out the window. So let's talk about this. You know, first of all, the homeowners are asking why is this happening? Their gutters were clean. Either they cleaned it themselves or they had a service do it in the autumn. The gutters were clean. Yeah, well, the game plan is always have a clean gutter going into the winter because a gutter that's clogged will contribute significantly to the risk of a ice dam. So why is a clean gutter having this happen? As I see it, with the type and quantity of snow that we've gotten, you know, this last storm, we got a lot of snow for our area, and it came down so heavy and so cold that it just built up in the gutter. And then you go through, you know, a couple freeze-thaw cycles, and that powdery snow gets wet and it freezes into a blob. And then anything more that comes down just keeps piling up on the glacier. Or we've also had the instances where it's been like, you know, somehow it's snowing at 36 degrees and the snowflakes are like marbles, just like little snowballs coming down, and they're basically slush, right? And they hit a surface and it's just slush piling up. Well, you picture a gutter with slush piling up, and then the temperature freezes or drops more that night, and all of that just freezes. And then, so it's easy to see like this stuff can pile up in a clean gutter. So, all right, what are our options? Well, for the homeowner with an ice dam who needs it addressed, you know, I really don't know what to suggest other than a service that has heat, you know, hot water or steam available through a mobile unit. You're talking about basically just brute melting the ice that's causing the problem. And, you know, that's something that can be done. That's something that I've done. That's something that you really want to have done by somebody who knows what they're doing, because that process can make things a lot worse if errors are made, or if the wrong approach, or if, you know, bad judgment is used. So it's not foolproof. You want to find somebody who has experience and knows what they're doing. It is very expensive. Just the cost of, you know, diesel or propane or whatever the heat source is for all that hot water or steam, that is expensive. So be prepared to open your wallet or pocketbook. I step back and I think, well, okay, beyond this, beyond reacting, how could this just have been avoided? I'm not a fan, don't get me started. I'm not a fan of those gutter screens or guards or helmets or any of that stuff. To me, that's a giant scam. I've spoken extensively about it elsewhere. I'll make a note on one of the little video tabs in the corner here, linking to other videos there. So still, what's to be done? What could have avoided this? The best thing I can think of is these systems that sort of have it's like an extension cord that is a giant heating element, and it's either dangled on the roof just above the gutter or it's dangled in the gutter as well. And yeah, the idea is when things get cold, these things turn on and just melt, you know, or prevent the freezing of any water that's piling up or any water, snow, slush. I don't have any experience with this. I've never really given this thought before these recent days that I'm just sitting here looking out the window. So what I'm hoping is, if you're watching this video and you have direct firsthand experience with those systems, you know, a preventive system, not a reactive system, but a preventive system that is designed to prevent ice from forming in a gutter or on the roof above the gutter. Could you make a comment and share, you know, your thoughts? What worked? What didn't work? What was a waste of money? What works as advertised? I'd be very interested to know, and I feel like my viewers would be as well. Anyway, that's what's going on here. Hope you're well. Bye for now.